Hi, boys and girls. We are going to work through our 2 review worksheet. So you will need the worksheet that's on my screen and a pencil or crayon. All right, we are going to do it together. So I want you to take a peek at the top of your sheet and you notice some numbers at the bottom. You are going to be drawing circles to match the number. So our first number is a 5. So you are going to draw 5 circles. So do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to go on to the next number. Our next number is the number 7. So draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you can go on to the next number. Our next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always click the pause button. Our next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our last number is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to go on to the second part of our review sheet. We talked about finding numbers that are before and after. On this review, we are just going to work with numbers that are just before. Excuse me. So when we're looking for numbers that are before, remember that we go backwards. Before means backwards. So our first number is the number 5. I'm going to come up here and use our number line and find the number 5. I'm going to go backwards to figure out the number that comes before. And that number is our number 4. So I'm going to write 4 on the line. Make sure you're writing 4 with correct formation. Go down and then right. A long straight stick, then a 4 is in sight. All right, find your 8 on the number line. You are looking for the number that comes before, so go back 1. And we have a 7. So we're going to write a 7 on the line. Across the top and down we go. Now we have a 7 to show. Our next number is 10. Find 10 on the number line. Find the number just before, so go back 1. And we have a 9. First a loop and then a line. That is how to make a 9. Our next number is a 2. Find 2. Go back 1. Our number is a 1. Just a line down. All right, you try to do number 6. I'm going to pause here to see if you can do it. So find your 6 on the number line. Find the number just before and write it on the line. If you wrote the number 5, you got it. So make a line halfway down, make a curve to the right, put a line at the top, and you made a 5 so bright. All right, you are done with math today. You can take a picture and upload it to Seesaw.